We'll guide you through how to loop a particle system blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because working with particle systems in Blender can be confusing, especially for beginners. Users want to learn how to duplicate, adjust, and control particle animations properly. First, open Blender on your desktop and wait until it fully loads. Once it is ready, press Ctrl and O on your keyboard to open the file browser. In the file browser, look for your previous project that contains the particle system you want to edit. After you find the correct file, select it by clicking on it once. Then, open it right away by confirming the selection so the project loads into the workspace. When the project is visible, select the object that has the particle system applied to it. After selecting the object, go to the side menu where different settings are displayed. Look for the particle section on the side menu, which controls how particles behave. Once you find it, extend the arrow on the side to reveal more options. After that, click on the Duplicate Particle System option to create a copy of the current setup. Then, press the number next to the particle system name, so it becomes a single user, allowing you to edit it independently. Next, look for the Frame Start section in the menu and set its value to -100. This will control when the particle simulation begins. After adjusting that, extend the Cache section to access simulation settings. Then, look for the option labeled Bake All Dynamics and click on it to calculate and store the simulation data. Once the baking process is complete, go to the playback panel at the bottom of the screen. Change the end frame value to 100 so the animation plays within the desired range. After setting the timeline, you can review the result by pressing Shift and the spacebar together to play the animation. Watch the movement of the particles carefully to ensure everything looks correct. If adjustments are needed, you can repeat the steps and refine the settings. Following this process will help you manage and preview particle simulations effectively in Blender. Practicing these steps regularly will improve your understanding of particle systems and animation control over time.